This is your favorite tech, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the Chkdsk tool to scan your hard drive for common system errors. So here's what you do. First of all, go to your computer, my computer, and find a hard disk that you want to scan. I'm just going to scan this one real quick. Keep in mind in this video it may be long when it scans, so I'm going to skip it up. You're going to go to properties, you're going to go to tools, and you're going to click Chkdsk. And it's going to say you don't need to scan your disk, but we're going to just say it anyways. All right, so it looks like my scan is done. It said your drive was successfully scanned and they didn't find any errors. But let's say that they did find errors and you wanted to kind of track them down. Then you would go to Event Viewer, and this is going to allow you to look at the event that was found in the scan. You're going to go to Windows Logs, and then under Applications, the type, you're going to double click on Administrative, and you see right here it says Source Chkdsk. And so if you want to see if you had errors, you'll see them pop up under the Source Chkdsk, and you just click on this little event property button. You double click on that little button, and you can just read about what these errors are, track them down, search them on the internet, and to narrow it down, whether you're going to fix it yourself or let somebody else fix it for you, you can figure out what's going on. So that's just a quick way for you to do that. Keep in mind, we do tech support. If you need help, we can remote into your computer and help you with your tech problem. Just text the number on the screen or find the number in the description. Also, you can check us out at repairmystuff.net. As always, I'm your favorite tech out. Hey, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and return the favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe, type the phrase "I subscribed" in the comment section below. Keep in mind, when you subscribe, it motivates us to continue to make these free videos. Lastly, if you enjoy learning about technology, entrepreneurship, or making money online, go ahead and check out my other videos on my other channel. Thanks for your support.